This is a 1 foot by 4 foot LED lighting panel designed to replace fluorescent light fixtures. This particular one is color selectable, so you can go from 2700 Kelvin up to 6000 Kelvin, and you can also select how bright it is with the watt level, 24 to 40 watt selectable. So this is the coolest white setting that it can do. This is the warmest white color setting it can do. We chose a medium color temperature halfway between super cold and super warm. I was sent this particular model to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $70. They haven't paid me for the review, but my opinions remain my own. So it's pretty well packaged in there. It was sandwiched between two of these pieces of cardboard. It had little rubber end protectors and corner protectors. So it was, the unit itself was pretty well protected inside the package. So in addition to the panel, it came with a baggie with 3 wire nuts, and it looks like 4 masonry style anchors, which could potentially also be used in drywall with some screws there. They also have some toggle bolt drywall style anchors. Alright, so it has this back plate. That's this metal plate here with these things that go across there. This bit here will hook into your standard electrical box, and then they have holes around the sides here to mount the back plate to your ceiling. They also have a little tiny cable there that'll hook into a hook for emergency, in case it gets knocked off, it won't fall all the way down. And basically the panel lifts up and then slides in to these guys here, and it'll just snap in place. So the panel itself, this particular model has a black edge, and then that is the light that comes out of there. So it also comes with a little bit of foam in here for packaging. And there's some tape to keep it from accidentally popping off. So you can see there, that's how the ceiling mounting bracket snaps in. These wires would go up into your electrical box, and then hold it up like so, and then slide the panel in place, and it would latch in place there. So you can see here, these are the little emergency cables. In case it accidentally gets knocked off the mounting bracket, it'll keep it from falling down. So on the side panel here are the switches that choose between 40, 30, and 24 watts, and between 6000 and 2700 Kelvin. So these are accessible even after the light has been installed. This sticker is potentially removable, but those switches will be visible from the side. Alright, so you got the bracket installed, has 2 screws into the box and then 4 screws into the ceiling. Alright, I have those 2 wires attached to the little clips up there, and so that holds it in place while I attach the power lines up. It wasn't too difficult to snap those in. I was basically able to do it with one hand. You kind of have to put your wire on the front of the snap clip and put your thumb on the back and kind of squeeze it in and snap it into the clip. Right, using the provided wire nuts, I just hooked black to black, white to white, and green to the bare copper. These wires here are going to be stuffed up into that box as I lift it up. So now that I have it attached to power, I'm testing it. This is the kind of warm white, so you can see it's a very warm yellow light. And this is the cool white, so that's the coolest setting. Alright, so it took me 1 or 2 tries to figure out exactly how the thing was supposed to line up before it snapped in place, but once I got it in the right spot, it was pretty easy. So this is the coolest white setting that it can do. This is the warmest white color setting it can do. We chose a medium color temperature halfway between super cold and super warm.